Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately. The feedback from other buyers has been incredible. People love how it performs, and after using it myself, I totally agree. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. It's reliable, easy to use, and feels like something that should cost way more. You can find all the details in the description. Go take a look before it's gone. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me. Hey, I just tested something that's been trending hard lately.